Hi, Mark Heath here, and in this video we're going to have a look at a few MoreLINQ methods related to random sequences. So here, as just a little bit of input data, I've got a random list of people and a random list of prizes. And let's say first of all there are 5 prizes in our list. Let's say we just want to randomly pick 3 from this list. So if we say prizes.RandomSubset of size 3, and let's have a look at what we get when we run that. It's picked out a fart machine, a football and Rubik's Cube. And you'll notice that this has randomly picked in any order. It's not come out in the order of the input sequence. We can also shuffle lists, and this is very handy. Let's shuffle the people with people.shuffle, and we can see that wasn't a particularly great shuffle. It only swapped 2 round. Let's run this again. That was just coincidence, really. Now we've got them in another random order, and we keep doing this. Obviously, we'll just keep seeing different orders of the shuffled list. MoreLINQ has actually got a couple of other very useful random methods that basically give you random numbers as an IEnumerable sequence. And so one of these is MoreEnumerable.RandomDouble, and that's an infinite sequence. So you'd usually follow it up with something like take. So from the infinite sequence of random doubles, take 5. And so let's just run this, and here we are, 5 random doubles. They're in the range of 0 to 1. You can, if you want to, pass in an instance of a random number generator, the random class. If you wanted to, if you were doing some kind of unit tests and you wanted to actually seed your random number generator so that you are generating the same random sequence for repeatable tests, you might want to do that. You can also just call this method called random, MoreEnumerable.Random, which returns a random series of integers, and you can provide a minimum and maximum, and it's an inclusive lower bound and an exclusive upper bound. So we'll get numbers that are between 10 and 19 inclusively. So let's run this and take, again, it's an infinite sequence, so we'll just take 5, and there we go, got some random numbers, and we keep running this, we'll see different numbers each time. And so that's all there is to this, a very handy method, particularly if you're doing kind of games or that type of thing where you just need a bit of randomness. So that's all there is to this. It's a very handy method, particularly if you're doing something like game programming where you just need a bit of randomness. This is really handy.